These decorated flip-flops are a great summer craft and they're easy to make with just a few simple supplies. So let me show you how. For this project, you'll need a pair of flip-flops, about 36 feet of thin cord or floss, scissors, and 2 buttons with shanks. You're going to work with one side of the strap of the flip-flop at a time. So you want to cut a piece of cord for one side. So this is a woman's size medium flip-flop and it's got a really skinny strap. It's maybe 1/2 inch or less. So if you've got a bigger size or a wider strap, you're going to want to cut a couple feet more, but 9 feet will do for this flip-flop. So find the middle of your cord and you're just going to tie just a simple knot around the strap at the toe. I'm going to move the knot up to the side like so, and then it's easiest to work with if you have your cords rolled up at the end. So we're going to do a simple macrame knot. So we're going to start with one side and loop it over the strap like that, and then take the other side and go over the string, so you've made like a 4 here, and go under the strap and through the loop. Okay, and then pull it slowly. Okay, and you want to pull that so it's pretty snug. Now you're going to do the opposite side. So I'm going to start from the left here. I'm going to go over the strap. This one's going to come over that string, under the strap, and through the loop. Okay, so keep doing that down the whole length of that strap. Over the strap, this one comes over that string, under and through the loop. Now as you're going along, like I do, or you get interrupted and you can't remember which side you left off with, so which side to go, as you look on here and you see how there's a little knot right there, and on this side it's just the string coming out. You want to start with the side that has the little knot right there. So in this case, I'm going to start with my left side. Okay, so just keep going till you get to the end. Once you're at the end of the strap, we're going to tie off a knot. So I'm going to bring this top string down and we're going to tie a knot on the side where it will be out of the way here, won't show. I'm going to leave the strings long for now because I'm going to put a little clear nail polish or glue on that knot to make sure it stays put, and then I'll trim the ends. So do the same thing for the other strap. Once you're finished with the cord, just add a dab of glue or clear nail polish to your knot to help it stay in place. And then you can trim the ends. You'll notice that there's a little gap here where the toe is, so we're going to fill in that space with, you can hot glue on something like an artificial flower or a button. I like to use a button with a shank with just a little pom-pom around it. So I'll show you how to make that in case that's what you want to do. I'm going to take a contrasting color cord, or you can use the same one, and just with 2 fingers I'm going to wrap it about 20 times. Cut that off. Remove it carefully, keeping it together in a bundle. Then you're going to cut a longer piece, about 1 foot or so long, and place that bundle right in the middle. Tie a simple knot to hold it all together. Tie it as tight as you can. Make sure that's centered. Now I'm going to make sure to leave my 2 longer strings. We need those to tie it on to the flip-flop. So hold those out of the way and then take your scissors and cut through all of the loops. Now thread a button on one side of the string, pull it through, and tie a knot to keep it secure. Once again, keep the longer pieces out of the way and spread the floss around the button. You're also going to trim it down so it's all even and makes a nice round pattern. Once you finish that, I like to fray the cords if you've got more than one strand, just to make it a little bit fluffier and a little bit rounder. I tie it onto the flip-flop with the two longer pieces of string. I tie a tight knot, put a dab of glue or fingernail polish on that as well, and trim the ends. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more great craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.